back for day 2 of working on the car. Finished up pretty late last night doing the alternator. So we're gonna go ahead, finish up by putting the water pump on, the tensioner, and idler fluid. So now that this is mostly fully assembled, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to take the mock-up engine out of the car and get this ready to be placed. I gotta take this out because I need the motor mounts off of it so I can put it on the race engine. So now we're on the final part of the engine assembly. We're gonna go ahead and put on this Unit2Fab Baffled Oil pan. This is the Unit2Fab case swap rear-wheel drive baffled oil pan for the S2000. These do a really good job at baffling the oil within there, preventing oil starvation and high G corners. And so this is exactly what we'll be putting on today. As you can see, we now have the oil pan installed.